Hello everyone, this is Ashwant. Hope you're all doing safe. So today in this video we are going to learn about transfer learning. So if you came from a machine learning background, so you might have heard about the old called transfer learning. So what actually transfer learning is, we will look into that in this video. So transfer learning is a kind of research problem in machine learning and deep learning, so where it focuses on uh, building large models, building large deep learning models which needs massive amount of data. So and you stored that model as a pre-trained model, and you will use the pre-trained model in building your own model. So it is what transfer learning is. It means that it focuses on storing knowledge gained on building a deep learning model, which uses massive amounts of data and computational powers, and you will apply that to solve another real world problem. So it is what transfer learning is, and it is also a fastest and easiest way, so that you can build a deep learning model without having a need of requiring much data. So you don't need much data, you already had a pre-trained model. You can just use that to build your own customized model. So why we need transfer learning actually? So in general, if you want to build a neural network, if you want to build a deep learning model, you need large amount of data and you need large computational powers. So it takes a lot of time. So if there is any solution to escape all these hard and complex data collection and requirement of large computational resources, then the way is transfer learning. So let us see how we can use transfer learning and what actually transfer learning is. So this is how a model of transfer learning looks like. So already there will be a pre-trained neural network which is built by someone, and there is a concept called fine tuning. Fine tuning is all about adjusting and like changing the existing neural network into your requirements. So if there are some requirements for you apart from the pre-trained neural networks, you will do that. So this process is called fine tuning. Fine tuning is just a way of modifying the existing one to make it better. So you will use fine tuning here, and finally you get final neural network. So here the pre-trained neural network is not built by you, it will be built by some other else. So in general, a neural network, to build a neural network, to build a deep learning model, you need large amount of data and you need to give weights to each and every hidden layer of a neural network. It is a tedious process. So anyone who want to build a deep learning model but having no low knowledge of dealing with data can use transfer learning in this way. So in general, building a neural network takes a lot of time, but by using this kind of transfer learning technique, we can do that in a very simple way. See, let us see if there is a random neural network for you, and you will train using the imagenet. Imagenet is a kind of a pre-trained model. It is a famous object detection pre-trained model, which uses convolutional neural network. So you can use that if you want to work on image processing tasks. So simply by using a pre-trained model called imagenet, you will get a neural network. So you just use this neural network and fine tune according to your data. So you have your own data which is a minimal. So you can add that data into the to the pre-trained model, and after fine tuning you will get the original requirement of what you actually need. So it is how a transfer learning work. So you don't need to collect much amount of data, you don't need to build a model again. So already there is a model built, you can just fine tune that to make your model work. So we will look into an example to, yeah. See, in general, building a pre-trained model. So firstly, you need to collect large amount of data. If you have data, you will build a neural network. So by using convolutional neural network, you build this. So your task is to detect car from a set of vehicles. So if there are many vehicles like car, aeroplane, train, bus, and truck. So you need to detect what is a car among all those vehicles. So by using convolutional neural network, you build a huge neural network by collecting large data and using computational power. Finally, your model is working. The model can detect car from a set of objects. So it is what training from scratch. So similarly, if there is a requirement for you which can detect car from car and trucks. So there are a set of vehicles only comprising car and truck. So you want to use that. So is there any requirement to build again from scratch? No need, because we already had a system, we already had a model which can detect car from a set of images. So that model will help you to detect car from cars and trucks, right? So it is an easy task. So for that, you will use that pre-trained neural network, and you will adjust the weights of a neural network, and fine tune that. If we have a data set of images of cars and trucks, you can add that, and you can easily get your model working. It can detect car from set of cars and trucks. So it is how neural net, I mean, transfer learning works. So it was a funny meme. So it was like, if you build a model using transfer learning, your model will be like, so you have only some custom layers which are very few. You completely depend on pre-trained models. So here it was stating something like, pre-trained models are like a Terminator, and you are like Mr. Bean, which means you don't have much work to do. You just use a pre-trained model to complete your tasks. Yes, it is what about transfer learning is. Hope you understand this topic. We will get into more deep layers in the next videos. So hope you like this video. Please share this video and subscribe. Thank you.